Hola a todos, ¿cómo estáis? Hello guys, I hope you are fine. Welcome to our new video. So in today's lesson we are going to learn something so important. So we will see how to make questions in Spanish language. Cómo hacer preguntas en español. So first, let's go to check our homework. Okay, here we have corregir la tarea. Okay, corregir la tarea. I changed this word. Okay, before was corrección. Corrección is the noun of corregir. Corregir is the verb to correct. Okay, so here we have correction, the homework. So here we have the first question. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? And here guys we can see the hours, okay? And we should write them here, okay? So here we see son las 2:10. Son las 2:10. Es la una. Es la una. Also we can say es la una y punto. Okay? It's 1 o'clock. Son las 3:45. Son las 3:45. Okay, and also we can say son las 4 menos cuarto. Okay, in English we can say it's 3:45. Okay, like this. The last one, son las 10. Son las 10:30. Okay, son las 10:30. Here we have, guys, the next question. ¿Cómo está el clima? ¿Cómo está el clima? How is the weather? Okay, the answer, hoy hace sol. Hoy hace sol. Also we can say el clima hace sol hoy. Okay, as I told you before that the Spanish language is very flexible language. Okay, you can play with the words. Okay, but not too much. Okay, with there are rules. Okay guys, the next sentence, por la tarde está lloviendo. Por la tarde está lloviendo. It's raining in the evening. Okay, por la tarde means in the evening. Mañana hace viento. Mañana hace viento. It's windy tomorrow. Okay, it's windy tomorrow. Ahora está nublado. Ahora está nublado. Okay, ahora means now. Okay, so the sentence is it's cloudy now. Okay, ahora. Ahora. We don't pronounce the H because it's silent. In Spanish, always the H is silent letter. So we say like this, ahora. So guys, let's go to continue our lesson. So guys, here we have hacer preguntas. Okay, hacer preguntas, which means making sentences. This is a verb, hacer, which means to do or to make. Okay, to do, to make. Okay guys, so let's go to see. And also preguntas means questions in Spanish language. So we start with, here we can see vocabulario, vocabulary. Okay, we start with preguntar. Preguntar, to ask. Okay, preguntar, to ask. Responder. Responder, to answer. Okay, and here we have respuesta. Respuesta means answer. It's the noun. Okay, the noun. And the noun of preguntar is pregunta. Okay, we remove S. S is for plural. Okay guys, let's go to see the next step. What we have, Here we can see los pronombres interrogativos. Los pronombres interrogativos. The interrogative pronouns. Okay. Here we can see. Okay. We have many interrogative pronouns. We start with this. The first one is que, which means what. Okay. Here we have example. ¿Qué libro estás leyendo? ¿Qué libro estás leyendo? What book are you reading? Okay. Here guys we can see que, okay, it's in the first, and also what is in the first. Okay. Libro, book, estás, are, you. Okay. We don't need to mention the pronouns. Okay. The personal pronoun. Okay. So just it's enough we mention estás leyendo. Leyendo is reading. The next one, quién. Quién. Okay? Quién, which means who. Here we have example. ¿Quién viene a la fiesta? ¿Quién viene a la fiesta? Who is coming to the party? Okay? Viene is from the verb venir. Okay, the infinitive is venir, means to come. Okay, party is fiesta. Here we have cuando. Cuando, when. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? When is your birthday? Okay, here we have the verb to be. Okay, I mean here ser, to be. Tu means your, cumpleaños, birthday. ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde? Where? ¿Dónde vives? ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Where do you live? Okay guys, let's go to check the rest. Here we have more. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? Why? ¿Por qué llegaste tarde? ¿Por qué llegaste tarde? Why did you arrive late? Okay. This is a verb, okay, which is llegar. Llegar in the infinitive. Okay, we will see more, okay, later with other classes. Okay. Llegar means to arrive. The next one, ¿cómo? ¿Cómo? How? Which means how, okay? ¿Cómo te sientes? ¿Cómo te sientes? How do you feel? How do you feel? Okay, guys? Here we have this, okay? So, guys, please don't get confused, okay? Don't get confused. Everything is easy, okay? Here we have cuánto, cuánta, cuántos, cuántas. All of them mean the same, okay? How much or how many, okay? But here we have depends the gender. If the noun is male, cuánto is male also. If the noun is female, also cuánta will be male, female. Okay, cuánta. Here we have if the noun is male, plural. Okay, and here we have if the noun is female, plural. Okay, guys. So let's check our examples here. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? Okay. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Cuesta is the verb costar, which means to cost. Here we have ¿cuántos hermanos tienes? ¿Cuántos hermanos tienes? how many siblings do you have? Okay, guys. And if you ask me how can we make difference between how many and how much in Spanish, okay, is depend the context, okay. You must understand the sentence with yourself. It's dependent the context. So guys, let's go to check the next step. Here we have ejemplos. Tenemos aquí ejemplos, okay, examples for memorizing more, okay, for memorizing more the questions and how we use the interrogative pronouns, okay. Okay, let's go. ¿Qué quieres para cenar? ¿Qué quieres para cenar? What do you want for dinner? Okay, ¿qué? What quieres? Do you want for para cenar dinner? ¿Quién está en la puerta? ¿Quién está en la puerta? Who is at the door? ¿Quién? Who. Está is en at la puerta, the door. ¿Cuál prefieres? ¿El rojo o el azul? ¿Cuál prefieres? ¿El rojo o el azul? Which one do you prefer? The red one or the blue one? Also, we will have other class, okay, for colors in Spanish language, okay. So here, which, cuál, okay. We didn't see cuál before, okay. So here, cuál means which, okay, and also can mean que sometimes, okay, depending the context. Okay, so here we have cuál, which one, cuál, which one. Prefieres, do you prefer, okay, the red one, el rojo, o or el azul, the blue one. The next question. ¿Dónde está el libro? ¿Dónde está el libro? Where is the book? Okay, ¿dónde? Where está? Is el libro, the book. ¿Cuándo es la reunión? ¿Cuándo es la reunión? When is the meeting? ¿Cuándo? When. Is es la reunión, the meeting. Okay, so let's go to see the next. Here we have more questions. Here we have the same question. ¿Por qué llegaste tarde? Why did you arrive late? Okay, and we already saw this question before. ¿Cómo se hace este ejercicio? ¿Cómo se hace este ejercicio? How do you do this exercise? Okay. ¿Cómo? How se hace? Do you do este? This ejercicio? Exercise. Okay, guys. So next, ¿cuánto cuesta esto? ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? It's the same question, but here we have esto. Esto means this, okay, this, and also we will have class about this for learning how to say this, that in Spanish. Okay, so here we have cuánto, how much, cuesta, does cost, this esto. ¿Cuántos libros tienes? ¿Cuántos libros tienes? How many books do you have? Okay, here we have the verb tener. It's conjugated in you. Tú tienes. Okay, guys, let's go to check. Here we have other step, okay? Hacer preguntas con el tono de voz. Okay, making questions with the tone of voice. Okay, also we have this in English. Instead of you say uh, do you eat, just you say you eat, like this. So also here we can see the same. In Spanish is like this always. Okay, for example, here we have hoy es lunes. Hoy es lunes. Today's is Monday. Here we have the same sentence, but we will change the tone, el tono. Okay, we, instead of saying hoy es lunes, we will say hoy es lunes, hoy es lunes, like this. Okay, me gusta el chocolate. Me gusta el chocolate. I like the chocolate. Here we have ¿te gusta el chocolate? ¿Te gusta el chocolate? Here we don't have I like, but you like. But we say, do you like the chocolate? Do you like the chocolate? ¿Te gusta el chocolate? Ella llegó tarde. Ella llegó tarde. Ella llegó tarde? Ella llegó tarde? Okay, guys, it's easy. Mhm. The meaning of the sentence, she arrived late. Okay, and in the question, did she arrive late? Okay. El libro está en la mesa. El libro está en la mesa. We change our tone. El libro está en la mesa. El libro está en la mesa. Is the book on the table? Here we have the book is on the table. Here, is the book on the table? Vamos al cine mañana. Vamos al cine mañana. We are going to the cinema tomorrow. Here we have question. Vamos al cine mañana. Vamos al cine mañana. Are we going to the cinema tomorrow? Okay, guys, I hope everything is clear. Don't worry, okay? Take it easy. Okay, let's go to the next step. Here we have tarea, task, homework. Okay, guys, so let's go to check what we have. Here we have the question, but this time the question is in Spanish. Okay, step by step. Okay, we change our questions from English to Spanish, and like this you can be familiar more. Okay, so we read: completa las siguientes oraciones con el pronombre interrogativo adecuado. Okay, okay, so the sentence say complete the next sentences with the interrogative pronoun. Okay, or with the suitable interrogative pronoun. Here we have qué, quién, dónde, cuándo, por qué, and cómo. Okay, so let's go to see our questions. Here we have blanks, and we should fill these blanks. Okay, guys, here we have te llamas, está la biblioteca en esta ciudad, vamos a la playa el próximo fin de semana, no fuiste a la fiesta anoche, te sientes hoy, es tu color favorito. Okay, guys, so I hope everything was clear, and if you have questions, please ask me. I will answer you, of course. And thank you so much for your attention, and hasta pronto. See you soon.